This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people, stops with me. It cannot happen. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we're facing. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
We know of the Boko Haram people that say they want a different country where Western education is an abomination. These people have been released. Not just that they have been released. In the case of Boko Haram, they've been re-assimilated to the society, given plum jobs, even in our military. They've been given money and been resuscitated, reconciled, and rehabilitated. Why is NNAMDI KANU's case different? There is an ethnic and some unnecessary bias that is keeping that man in jail. The government should be wise enough to release this man.
The shame of a nation. The shame of a nation. Bill Clinton said, discrimination restricts growth. When you try to discriminate against a particular ethnicity, you are withholding the growth of the entire people of a nation. Simply put, that is the case of Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu is in detention today because he is an Igbo. Peter Obi may become the best Nigerian president Nigeria never had because he is an Igbo. He has the solution to Nigeria's economic crisis, but Nigerians will not give him a chance to lead the way and save Nigeria because he is an Igbo. The ex-Igbo of Lagos is still in detention today 1 year after. Why those who maimed and killed during the general election of 2023 are walking free? Any crime that is committed in Nigeria is okay as far as it's not committed by an Igbo man. This Igbophobia, this ethnic cleansing, others call it discrimination against the Igbos, is actually withholding Nigeria from progressing. Nigeria, where are we today after all said and done? After all this discrimination, after all this ganging up against the Igbos? How far? How market? Nnamdi Kanu must be free today for Nigeria to progress. This persecution against Peter Obi must stop. This ganging up against Amaka Canada must stop. There is need for Nigeria to come to the round table in order either to reintegrate the Igbos or to free them. You cannot beat up a child and tell that child not to cry. Nigeria, Nigeria, Nigeria. Free Nnamdi Kanu and free Nigeria. This is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. See something, say something, and please do something. This madness against the Igbos must stop now. Thank you.